Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my channel, we're going over the best Spotify hacks for 2020. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, before we get started, I just want to give out a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm just sharing this valuable information to teach people, to put people up on game on what's going on out here. Now, the best Spotify hacks in 2020. It's three in my opinion, and all three of these methods I'm about to share with y'all are royalty eligible, meaning you could use these methods and earn money from them. Now, the first Spotify hack in 2020 I want to teach y'all about are SMM panels. Now, SMM panels are social media marketing panels. This is a resource where social media marketers and agencies go to build the digital footprint for their clients, meaning they build their Instagram pages, their websites, their Twitter profiles, their YouTubes, all off of social media marketing panels. Like a lot of people, industry plants that just somehow blow up out of nowhere. How do they get all of this traction? How do they get all of this initial fan base? They use SMM panels. Now, you can use SMM panels for Spotify. And the technical back end how SMM panels work are through what's called API access tokens. Now, if you ever been on a website and it asks you to sign in using your Facebook, Google, sign in using your YouTube account, sign in using your Twitter account, or you ever granted an app permission to do something where it says, would you like to authorize this app access to your account? Would you like to authorize this access to your email? When you do that, you're creating an API access token. And the company you give that information to, the website, they sell that information. They sell that information on the internet. Your information is being sold all of the time on the internet. If you haven't noticed, like you could literally be talking about something on your phone and be shown an advertisement for it on Instagram or YouTube or Google. So, your information, your location, your data is always being sold and used, and advertised against, right? Now, this allows, companies to make profit off of you, and the way you can make profit is by using Spotify API access tokens. Now, API access tokens from Spotify, are used to generate streams. And, these streams are royalty eligible. They can get you paid. They're premium Spotify accounts. They're premium Spotify streams. And people do this all the time where they sign in with their accounts, giving access to giving their accounts access to other things, not knowing what they're doing, because it's smart people on the internet, way smarter than you. So, this is one way to get money on Spotify, using SMM panels to generate streams. Now, all of these streams you generate are royalty eligible. How it works, like basically, it's $2 for every 1,000 streams, right? But when you generate 1,000 streams, you make $4, right? That's what you get back on your royalty statement. So if you was generating 1 million streams a month, like say if you wanted 1 million streams, that's $2,000, but you would get $4,000 back. And that's how the SMM panel hustle work. Now, the next hustle, the next Spotify hack you can use to make money online is Fiverr playlist. Spotify playlist. Now, all you gotta do for this to make money is, go on Fiverr and submit your song to playlists. Pay for them to put your song on multiple playlists. I'm telling you, this is real residual income. This is how the streaming era works, man. You not making money in the streaming era if you not on a playlist. This is how an artist can come from nothing to something. If you get signed to Interscope and they put you on Rap Radar or any big hip hop playlist, you're gonna get millions of streams just automatically. You get millions of streams. And record labels, they even buy out big playlists, because they know, like, if you create a playlist today and you get hundreds of thousands of followers, a record label is going to come to you and try to buy that because they know the potential. They know what that playlist can do. It's literally a machine, a 24-hour continuous machine that generates you money. And the thing about Fiverr playlists is that they have continuous playlists. When you submit your song to these playlists on Fiverr, it's different people with continuous playlists. You gotta submit it to everybody. Submit to everybody. If it's a Spotify playlist, don't submit to get the cultivator list. Don't submit to get the playlist, like the list of all the cultivators. Pay for them to put your song on a playlist. Pay for them to place your song on playlists. They could do it at 50 playlists, 100 playlists. They could put 1,000 playlists. And all of these playlists will generate you income because they'll play your song over and over. They get played over and over. It's like a team of people playing it over and over and over and over and over. So, that's like the second method. You know what I'm saying? The second way you could hack Spotify is through Fiverr playlists. You gotta pay for it. It's only $5. All of these methods I'm teaching you are paid methods. From the SMM panels to getting the streams for $2 and making $4 off of them, on the back end. That's the hustle. That's, you gotta invest in it. Then with the Fiverr playlist, when you wanting to get on all these playlists, they want $5, $10, $25, to submit to all of these playlists, but it's worth it because your song it's like paying for them to do the work, and then your song gonna generate more or double than what you pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Triple. Depending on how you do it, your timing and how many playlists you get on, and the rotation and the time you do it, because every month is like its own statement. So all of the sales you generate for June, you don't get them to July, but it's like 2 months behind. Like the streaming game is like 2 months behind. So the sales you make for June, you won't even see them until August. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta get started on shit like this. The next or the third Spotify hack is this website. It's called Indie Mono. It's a playlist cultivator website where you can submit your song to all of these playlists for free. And the catch is they want your Spotify API access token. You gotta log on and grant them access to your Spotify account, and you gotta follow all of their playlists. And what they do is they, use your account from time to time to stream other songs, to generate more plays for this playlist, to make it bigger, to satisfy, all of the people joining this playlist to get streamed. It's a big community. It's like a community playlist. It's like a stream for stream. You know what I'm saying? You sign up on this shit, we gonna get you them streams. That's how Indie Mono work. And these are the best Spotify hacks for 2020, right? Let me just go over them one more time, because there's only 3, right? It's SMM Panels, right? You use SMM Panels to get streams on Spotify. It's $2 per 1,000. But you get $4 back. You're getting 50% return on your investment, right? So if you was to invest $2,000 for 1 million streams, you would get $4,000 back on your royalty statement. Now, the next method is Fiverr playlists. Now, you want to be on continuous Spotify playlists where they play it over and over and over and over again, 24/7, all through the night. This is how streaming about to make so many people rich. It's already making people rich as fuck. You know what I'm saying? You could be a rich nobody. You could have thousands of dollars coming in. You know what I'm saying? You could have $10,000 a month coming in. Ain't shit to some people. You know what I'm saying? Like $10,000, I made that in a day. Like some people making $10,000 a day. So if you could generate $10,000 a month for yourself, man, using this method, man, why not do it, man? You just got to get started and see. And you know what I'm saying? I can't force nobody. I've been doing this shit for years. But the playlist method, right? The playlist method, and you do that through Fiverr. You know, you pay $5, $10, whatever it is. You're gonna get it back. You're gonna get it back because they continuously playing. If you do it smart and submit a 1-minute song, you get more hits. You know what I'm saying? You get more hits. You get your money faster. You know what I'm saying? Just for comparison, a 1-minute song on repeat compared to, it gets 2 times as much as plays as a 3-minute song. You know what I'm saying? They go play before the 3-minute song over, you know, you're gonna get 3 streams off a 1-minute song. That's a hack. That's a hack. That's why artists are making shorter songs now, because of Spotify and this hack. You know. So yeah. And the last method is the Indie Mono site. When you go to Indie Mono, you basically give them access to your Spotify account, and you follow all these pages, and you submit your song. How you get on the playlist is by, you know, entering in your access token and following them, and, you know, allowing them access. You will see it, but these are the best Spotify hacks for 2020. Leave a comment if y'all have any questions. I'll make some more videos. So I see this is some highly requested information. So it's your boy YON WORLD. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.